This is a used 2011 Mercedes-Benz C-Class, powered by all-wheel drive, a 3-liter, 6-cylinder engine, and an automatic transmission. The features include a power sunroof, Bluetooth connectivity, Sirius XM satellite radio, digital audio input, dual temperature controls, automatic climate control, tilt and telescopic steering wheel, an alarm system, cruise control, keyless entry. Safety was made a priority with these features: curtain head airbags, side airbags, independent suspension, brake assist, traction control, stability control, a passenger airbag, low tire pressure warning, front ventilated disc brakes, daytime running lights. Rest easy knowing this vehicle comes with a Carfax Vehicle History Report from Carfax, the most trusted provider of vehicle history information. Great quality at a great price. Call or click to contact us today.